Hi all. In Touch Guru Markets. Let's start with general information about the corporation. If you are interested, you can pause it. We propose to study each indicator of the corporation in question in more detail. We will analyze the company's key indicators with you. Estee Lauder Companies, Inc., ticker, EL. The review was created using current data as of June 21, 2025. According to Classification.GURU.Markets company, the Estee Lauder Companies belongs to the subcategory Hygiene. 18 companies are participating in the assessment. See the order decisions at the end of the video. The overall result for the company under study is minus 6.5 out of 10 points. Average score for the subcategory, 2.5 points. If you look broadly, within the framework of the entire market as a whole, you can see that the average rating for the entire market is 1.8 points. Against a minus rating, 6.5 points for the Estee Lauder Companies. Comparing the movement of a company's stock price Estee Lauder Companies, Inc. and subcategory companies, we can see that over 12 months the company's shares Estee Lauder Companies, Inc. showed a change of minus 34.5%. Compared to the price dynamics for the subcategory, minus 3.3%. Market capitalization of the company, the Estee Lauder Companies, amounts to $27.05 billion. With a market capitalization of $784 billion, the subcategory is worth $1.5 billion. The company's book value is $2.81 billion. And the balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory is $96 billion. By comparing the market and book value shares, we can see the following. Occupied share the Estee Lauder Companies in the subcategory when assessing stock market capitalization is 3.452%. Book value capitalization is 2.936%. Assessment of the organization's share of market and balance sheet capitalization in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The company under study has debt obligations of $6.072 billion. Debt to book value is 216% of equity. Assessment of the company's level of financial obligations, very bad, minus 2 points. The company's market value to profit ratio is 0, with an average in the subcategory of 27.1. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, very bad, minus 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was minus $871 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are expected to be $793 million. Assessment of projected future profit indicators in comparison with companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's price to revenue ratio is 1.8. Average for the subcategory is 3.2. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $14,740 million. Forward revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. Assessment of the indicator of projected future sales volumes in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The sales margin is minus 5.9%, with an average of 11.9% in the subcategory. Evaluation of sales profitability in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, minus 0.5 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 13.626%, which is 295% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the company is $436,000. And in the subcategory, there are $1,722,000. Evaluation of the company's capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The amount of profit per employee of the company is minus $14,000. Subcategory average, $63,600. Evaluation of profit per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, talent, minus 0.5 points. The company's sales volume per employee is $238,000. Subcategory, $536,000. Evaluation of revenue per employee in comparison with indicators in the subcategory, talent, minus 0.5 points. The short position of shares is 4.4%, compared to the average for the subcategory of 1.1%. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 68% for the company Estee Lauder Companies, Inc. Whereas for the subcategory the RSI level, 14, is 40%. The company's current share price is around $75.18. The consensus price target for the company's shares is around $64.99. Let's look at the order table. It is available to everyone. Link in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all publicly accepted decisions of the stock evaluation information and reference system this season. Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the company's assessment Estee Lauder Companies, Inc. Information and reference system of assessment Guru.Markets, the following decision was made. Open a trade on the decline at $75.19 per share. The deal is open because the company has a fairly low valuation. The company's assessment is based on the assessment methods, the Akeem's index. Take profit is set at 53.81. Stop loss is set at 96.57. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, that order is fixed independently based on the results of the exchange session on July 21, 2025, or on the last working day before this date. Ticker, NATR, will be the main buy order. The video for the main order has already been published on this channel. When one of the orders is closed, the base or the balancing one, another order is closed at the actual price. A huge thank you to all of you for watching to the end and for using the information and reference system from Guru.Markets.